I say, new wop. Come on, man. Stop playing. I said, wake up, family. We ain't playing with them, man. I did my genealogy report, man. Just doing exclusive research from Bible, from the master teachers, from big brother, little brother, the God, the top shot of my dude face. One stop playing. Dan Calloway, young elder. You heard me? Come on, man. Uncle Rob, man. Stop playing. There's so many I could keep naming, man. We could go on and on, man. Serious. Stop playing, man. All serious times. Always dropping the gems. My dude, Black Magic. You feel me? Stop playing, man. We are the real Moors, man. You heard me? MPA mean mindset, perception, and attitude, man. I've been on this mindset, perception, and attitude journey for a while, studying, researching, and just doing a lot. Kabah, you heard me, mean God's breath. You heard me, we are the Nubians, Olmecs, Nuwabian, Choctaw, Moors, man. Some of y'all, you heard me, some of my cousins is Chickasaw and Creek. You heard me, Moors, but we are the copper color, aboriginal, indigenous, sovereign beings, man. This is my genealogy report, man. We got everything coming, shoes, everything, belt buckles, everything, man, with the perception on there. You heard me, with the 504 symbol, man. I'm dropping that for y'all. You heard me? We change to be successful. All three. You must change the mindset, the perception, and attitude to get another perspective out of life. You feel me? Then you can control the matrix. It's time to jump out the box, y'all. Stop letting our people sit down and be locked up with chains, man. We must help them. We got to fight this crazy low frequency thoughts that we be having with our people, man. That's all. That's all we got to do, man. Let go of everything so you can become everything. Ooh, that was nasty, man. I love it. I love it. You heard me? One brick at a time. Each one, teach one. King, and when I say king, king mean knight in need. Gratitude, king. Stop playing. Wake up, family, and learn self. Not these religions. Learn economics, learn economy, learn astrology, learn astronomy, learn, my bad. I'm so going too hard. I'm going too hard. Learn astrophysics. You heard me? Learn physics, learn physiology, learn your genealogy, learn genetics. Come on, man. Learn, baby. We got to learn, man. We got to take back over, baby. We not playing. We crushing them, man. We not playing. It's time to take over, man. I love y'all, family. I swear it's time to tribe up, baby. Tribe up, baby. Once you learn about you, they can't mess with you no more. They got to go back to Britain, man. Send them back home. It's time to get our land, man. Y'all been eating off our people back for too long, man. Y'all not about to eat off us. Malcolm X said it start now. You feel me? If you want to change your future, it got to start now. So what we about to do? We about to start now. We about to change our future now. The future belongs to those who prepare for it today. Shout out to my dude, Malcolm X, my great-great-grandfather, man. Everybody know my great-great-grandfather, but my daddy. Stop playing, man. One brick at a time. We ain't playing, family. Wake up and learn self. Learn self, man. You heard me? Learn self, not these religions. Learn economy, economics, astrology, astronomy. It's supposed to be astronomy, I'm sorry, with the R. Physics, physiology, genealogy, and genetics, and get your power back, family. Get your power back, soul family. You heard me? It's time to raise the vibrations and let our spirit meet our soul. All that save your soul. Let your spirit meet your soul, man. Time to jump into supreme consciousness, man. They can use whatever they're trying to use, but they can't stop us. None of that 5G, none of this old bioengineered food ain't stopping us, man. None of this stopping us. 19 ain't stopping us. Nothing ain't stopping us, man. It is wise not to argue with a fool. Think better. Think love. Think peace. Think life. Think free. Think bigger. By Marion George. You heard me? Kabah, Heru, Mahat, Heru. You feel me? I say, new wop.